Almost everybody's gone. And we're going to go scoot down to the top end of the track real fast. It's real. The concrete is just like we're going to have at Rockingham. So we're going to scoot down there real fast and try to make like a 60-foot pass. Maybe a 330 pass. We've already got the tune-up in this thing. We got the Hoosiers on it. It's dark. This is going to be just like Rockingham. So we're going to try the Hoosiers. Going to go no hood on it. I've got to loosen the front end up completely so that we can get the travel. The tune-up in it, guys, is sick. I mean, this thing is crazy. I mean, I just don't think you got to be real fast when you go down there to Rockingham. So I could be wrong. So let's go see real fast if we can scoot down there, make a little pass, and then see if it works. It may not work at all. Okay, guys, well, I'm an idiot. I forgot to turn the CO2 on. Not the valve down here, but the actual bottle itself. I had the valve turned, but the bottle wasn't. So we're going to try that again. And we had a blistering 754 on no pounds of boost. Rocket.
All
rocket.
motor.
On motor. Yeah, that was on motor. Actually, the turbo at that point was just a hindrance.
Scramble off.
Shut the scramble off.
Yeah, scramble off.
Do you have it on just then?
Yeah.
So that worked. Awesome.
All right, you ready?
Yep.
That made a huge difference in the burnout.
Yes, it did.
And he's gone.
Well, guys, that was a pretty big bust. It was good we were able to get down there and we made 3 passes, but the car is not completely set up for the no prep race yet, so we still got a lot of work to do. The last pass, one of my wastegates, the one that was giving me problems earlier in the day, it is now stuck wide open. So I have ordered a replacement wastegate for that, and hopefully we'll be fine. I'm gonna put a lot of weight in the back. Still got some work to do as far as getting the car to where it wants to transfer. I also forgot to make a shock change. We were focusing on the other race, and you know, this one takes a completely different setup. But we were able to make a couple hits, but we got a lot of work to do. Dig or Die is coming up in 2 weeks, and this is a similar surface to what we're going to be on. But if I'm not able to get this thing sorted out, I'm going to have to test again soon. If I'm not able to get it sorted out, I'm going to be a duck. Those guys are running fast. I think they're probably running 6.0s, maybe 6.20s. There might be a couple of them dipping into the 5-second zone on that type of surface, and that really is unbelievable that they're able to go that fast. All these runs I made, I did not make it through the entire 8th mile. I let off of all of them a little bit early. So those times are not completely accurate, but they were accurate enough to know that I'm going to get run over if I don't speed this thing up. All right, guys, we'll see y'all soon. Comment, like, and subscribe. Later.